everyone. Let us see how to import OneDrive data into Power BI. So in Power BI desktop, you can see that if you go to the get data, you cannot find the OneDrive data. Okay, so if you click more, it will prompt you with a window where you can get the various data sources. So with data sources from you can get it from Excel, SQL Server, or anything. But if you go and check for OneDrive, you will not be getting. Okay, you won't get the OneDrive data. So what you have to do is the first one you have to connect with the Power BI services. Okay, that is the online connection for OneDrive. That is the online connection for Power BI. So here you can see that app.powerbi.com. So once if you click that, it will ask you to log in. You can log in with your organization account or the school account or the any account which is relevant to Power BI. So once if you click this, you have in the left side, in the left pane, you can see various options. In that you have to click create. Even if you click create, directly you will not get get that option, that is to get it from OneDrive. Okay, here you can see that paste or manually enter the data. That is basically not possible. So either or else you have to pick the published data set. Okay, published data set in this sense already you might have published using the Power BI services. Under that you can see try these options. Okay, click here these options. So here you have various data, you have various options: create new account, content, and discover content. So discover content is related to the available content which is already there. If you click here create new content, here you can see files. Click get. Okay, once if you click get, you can see that OneDrive for business is available. Click here OneDrive for business. So obviously whatever the data which you have which you have in your OneDrive, so this is the OneDrive which I have, and these the two data which I have it in the OneDrive. Know one thing, that with which mail ID you have logged in with the Power BI workspace, that is online services, the same mail ID you have to, that for the same mail ID this OneDrive will be connected. Okay, and don't search for the data which you have uploaded in a different OneDrive ID account. So here you can see that inventory on login. So whatever the relevant data, if you want, you can just click here. Okay, and click connect your data. So it will be asking you import Excel data into Power BI or connect and manage import. Okay, because we are importing the Excel data. So once if you click import, yes, so you can click go to the dashboard. Okay, so this is what your inventory Excel is. Your data is connected. You have to click that inventory Excel is. So here you can see the available fields which are there in inventory Excel is. So this is the data which you have and we have connected here. I hope you found the solution for connecting the data from OneDrive into Power BI. So not only Excel, if you have AU CSV data, you can connect it through the OneDrive with the help of Power BI services.